Welcome back to this new section in our Configuring and Extending Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement. We've seen in the first part of this course how solutions work. Now, let's focus our attention on what's inside those solutions. The focus of this video is entities. Let's start by defining what an entity is. An entity is the core structure used in Dynamics 365 to model your business data. If you want to visualize an entity, think of it as a table or an Excel spreadsheet. You have columns defining the various fields in an entity and the rows of data, the actual data records. The platform defines three main types of entities. We have system entities, business entities, and custom entities. Let's look at each one separately and see what the differences are. System entities are entities used by the platform internally. They cannot be customized and they cannot be deleted. Some examples of system entities are workflows and asynchronous jobs. They are created on the platform and executed in the context of the application. Next, business entities are the entities available part of the default installation of the platform. They are created and introduced with the default solutions, including sales, service, project service automation, and field service. These entities are presented in the user interface and are throughout the default navigation. These entities are customizable by a user with the necessary permissions. Some examples of these include account and contact. Finally, custom entities are entities added through customization and configuration. They serve the purpose of extending the platform functionality and can be added through various solutions. Note that while you can add custom entities directly in the base solution, it is best practice to add all new customizations and configurations as part of a solution, as we've seen in the previous section on solutions. And finally, these entities are also customizable. Leaving system entities aside for a moment, since they are not customizable by definition, let's have a quick look at the similarities between business and custom entities. All business and custom entities make up our business solution. They can be set to be customizable or non-customizable. Furthermore, when customizable, you can rename an existing business or custom entity, as well as adding or removing attributes, changing overall entity settings or rules. If an entity is marked as non-customizable, you cannot modify any of its properties.